Welcome back to Oxygen Gravity. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a sneaker sports banner cell on your Pixellab. So watch this video to the end without skipping any step to get these details. So let's move down to our Pixellab Pro. But before we do that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate you guys. So let's move down to the Pixellab Pro and let's start today's tutorial. Yeah, so this is the first thing that we are going to do. We had the background from our gallery, and I'll be dropping every image that I'm going to use in the description, so do well to check it. Yeah, so this is our background. So we have to resize it to 100 and lock it. So after we lock it, we add another thing from our gallery. So this tutorial will be simple. Just after you are adding, just resize it to 100 and lock it. So let's lock the two. You can see, just for us to add from gallery, you can see all what we have. This just we have the template already. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we add the text. So the first text that we are going to add is that so we place this in capital letter and bring it down here. So after this, we change the color. We pick a color. So add the color. After you add the color, just let us go for a color, a suitable color. Let's use this. Yeah, or let's click on this play. And after this, we are going to bold it. Let's position it well. Yeah, so this is the place that we are going to place this one, and we have to lock it. So the next text that we are going to add is that 50%.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Yeah, so this is it. Let's bring this off down a little bit. Yeah, So we have to lock the two also. So after we lock it, the next thing that we are going to add is from our, we will add another text. So the text, on this text we write show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, and I'm going to change the font. Fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. So we are going to add another text. And on this text, we are going to write sneakers. So let's change the font. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Yeah, so after this, let's copy these sneakers and edit it as sport. Yeah, so these the three that we are going to add from our the three texts that we add. So the next thing that we are going to do now is that we will add from our gallery so we add this shoe. Yeah, so you can see this is looking nice already. So the next thing is that we are going to do is that we add the shape. This shape. And we rotate it. Yeah, after we rotate this, we position it somewhere around the air. So after this, we are going to add the text, or I mean a logo. So just for us to add a logo, we check on these stickers. Yeah, so you can see how beautiful this is. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate you guys. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.